Hello and good day. Long time no video. I just thought to do this and share something I believe would be beneficial to you. Um, so, one thing you need to understand about the gospel of Jesus is that the gospel of Jesus is the gospel of a different, new, and heavenly realities. When we preach the gospel of Jesus, we're not preaching of humane things or mundane things. We are actually speaking of divine, something beyond the human capacity as we know it. You know, many people find and look for help and peace in many things. But the Bible makes us to understand that in the book of Peter, it says grace and peace, which is grace actually means help, enablement, and peace, it said, is found through the knowledge of Jesus, the Christ. So the gospel of Jesus is one thing, if you pay attention to, would minister to you grace, which is help and peace. This help and peace will cause you to live a godly life and worship God properly according to His eternal will for your life. I hope you understand this. So what do you need to do in order to, multiply grace and peace in your life, like the Bible and the scripture says in the book of Peter? All you need to do is to take the knowledge of Jesus and think upon the knowledge of Jesus. It's what is called meditation. When you think upon the knowledge of Jesus, what comes to your heart is grace, and what comes to your heart is peace. So grace and peace will be multiplied. This is the understanding. I trust you understand, and I trust that you'll be a doer of these things. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.